Welcome back, second grade scholars, to your online rhythm lesson. Today, I've got a challenge for you at the end of this. So let's learn this rhythm first. We're dealing with a 4/4 time signature, which is telling us that there are going to be 4 beats in each measure. We have eighth notes that are connected with a beam, 4 eighth notes that are connected with a beam, which we would count 1 and 2. And we have 2 eighth notes connected with a beam, and in this case it's 3, and we have quarter notes, and we have 1 quarter rest at the end, which we need to make sure we count, but we have to count it in our head so that it is silent, because remember, rests mean silence in music. So let's tackle this first measure right here. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do that together. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Nice job. Let's practice again. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Nice job. One more time. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, can you find another measure that is the same as this one? That is correct. The third measure is the same. So look at, we practiced one measure and now we already know half of the song. We know 2 measures out of 4. Always look for those patterns. That's all music is, just patterns. As soon as we find those patterns, the music becomes easier. So let's work on our second measure. All right, we've got 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's try together. Ready and count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Nice. Do it again. Ready and count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Excellent. One more time. Ready and count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Nicely done. Let's put our first and second measure together. Ready? From the beginning. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Nice. One more try. Ready? First 2 measures. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Excellent. We already know this third measure, so let's just add that one, because remember, it's the same as the first. Ready? And first 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Excellent. Let's practice that one more time before we tackle our last measure. Ready? Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. I accidentally went to the last measure, but that's okay. I think you guys got that last measure. It's not too hard, as long as you remembered to get this rest silent. So let's try the whole thing again, if you didn't follow me that time. Ready and begin. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Nice. This time, I want you to play your legs while you count. Remember, always count when you play and count out loud. 1 and 2 and whole thing play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, whenever you're ready, whenever I'm done talking, you can pause this, and I want you to practice it until you got it down. And then I want you to teach this rhythm, this whole rhythm, to someone in your house. Maybe your brother or sister, maybe your mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle. Probably going to be difficult to teach it to the cat. But if you could teach this to your cat, then you have my my definite surprise and my gratitude for passing on music to another species. So until I see you guys again, take care of yourselves, take care of others, take care of your learning. I'll be back next week with another rhythm lesson, and next week we're going to try some other cool stuff. All right, so master this one and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.